Hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 8 till the 14th of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Leo, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Mhm. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection. We have Knight of Pentacles, the World card, Eight of Pentacles, bottom of the deck is the Empress. So things are kind of stagnant right now. Things are kind of stuck right now. Both of you are trying your best to complete one cycle here, to complete one chapter. Here in this dynamics, you guys are putting in the effort and energy to maybe finish the unfinished business in the situation so that you guys can close this chapter for good and maybe move to the next one within this dynamics. There is a sense of finishing the unfinished business, or there's at least this desire of we guys need to put an end to one chapter first, and then we are going to figure out what to do next in this dynamics. So there's a sense of unfinished business, and there's this desire of putting in the effort and energy step by step in this direction to finish the unfinished and move to the next chapter. The Empress at the bottom of the deck is there. Still, you guys still have this energy of seeing the potential somehow in this dynamics. Like even if things are not moving forward, even if things are not moving at a particular pace, things are stagnant, but you guys still feel that everything is going to be fine. Maybe we guys will be able to make it work out. Maybe we guys will be able to do something about this situation and have the growth and expansion in this direction. Okay, cool. So the mutual energy here is of trying to finish the unfinished business, whatever it means in your situation, in your scenario. And the lesson here is putting in the effort and energy in the right direction matters a lot. If you are continuously trying to push a wall, that's not going to help you, right? You guys have to do something about the situation step by step. Pushing the wall that you know is not going to have any effect is not putting in the effort and energy, it's just wasting your time. So lesson here is putting the effort and energy in the right direction is very important in order to get the results. Okay, basically nothing is going to change until you are going to change something. That's the deal here. Okay, let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Leo. Ace of Pentacles. So this is someone who feels like coming forward towards you with a very fresh, new, stable and secure kind of brand new offer. For some of you, you are still waiting for a past situation to end completely so that you can move towards a new one. And the new one is just around the corner. Okay. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles here. So we have Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. Yes, this person is feeling like coming forward towards you with a stable offer because this person feels like you have a lot of options to choose from, and this person feels like if they are going to come forward towards you, they are going to bring in the stability that you're looking forward to have. And this person is feeling like emotional kind of bond between you and them, emotional connection. So basically this person is feeling like they should come forward towards you with a stable offer that nobody else will be able to offer you, and they know that you're looking forward to have stability in your life, stability and security, and they feel like coming towards you with this fresh offer. For most of you it's a totally new person, but you are still stuck in a past situation and they know it somehow. But this person definitely knows that you have other options too, and that's why they feel like coming forward towards you with some kind of solid offer that you cannot reject maybe. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? Ten of Pentacles. So from your side, you feel like money, stability, family, these things are very, very important. Okay. These factors, you feel like considering all of these factors before moving forward. Okay, my love. Sorry. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles here. By the way, he's not dead. He's just flying somewhere. I thought he is. He or she, whatever. Do mosquitoes have gender? Yeah, they do have. I know that. Page of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Death card. Yeah, you feel like stabilizing your own energies, creating your own empire where you are there, your family is there, people who matters to you are there, a lot of money is there, a lot of financial growth is there. So you feel like there's no time for love for me right now, Anjali. I'll think about it later on. My priorities are changing, my energies are shifting, my life is shifting. I can't settle for anything less than what I deserve. But right now, I'm super focused on money, finances, and my family and their future. So you feel like doing all of that thing. Meanwhile, keeping your energies open for something new, but not fully open. You're like 10% investment in romantic relationship, 90% in whatever I just told you, right? Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? Devil. Let me clarify this, devil, before saying anything in this situation. I hope this is not someone who is obsessed with you. Okay, let's see. We have the Ace of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, the Magician. So this person wants to manifest this energy of you seeing them as the one for them. They want to portray themselves as a very stable, secure, safe kind of energy. They want to let you clearly see, like they want to present themselves as a very clear cut energy of, see, I am the one to choose. I have everything that you are looking for. This person wants to kind of create a spell on you, cast a spell on you where you are going to see them only. My God. I don't see this person doing spell work or negative energy or black magic or anything like that. This is their desire. This is their unhealthy desire of you seeing them the only option who can provide you whatever you're looking forward to have in your love and relationship area. This is fairly a new energy. There is an energy around you. I don't know if they are talking to you, if they're telling you all of this, if they're creating castles in the air or something. There's someone around you who wants to see them as the one for you. See you as, there is someone around you who wants you to see them as the one for you. My God, that was difficult. And they're obsessed with the idea of you choosing them eventually. My God. This person is playing very sharply. They know what you want and they want to present themselves as exactly what you want. So if there is someone around you who is too good to be true, and by any chance you know them, like you guys know each other for whatever reason, they are trying to just grab your attention and eventually win over you. My God, this is crazy. This is crazy. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side. Have you heard that song, Hindi song? ये दुआ है मेरी रब से तुझे आशिकों में सबसे. This is that person. मेरी आशिकी पसंद आए. They want you to choose them. Okay, by deliberately showing you all the green flags, all the positives, everything. Wow. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Leo? It's 90s song. It was very famous. Seven of Cups, You just want to keep your options open. You just want to keep your energies open to the idea of just, moving forward, and let's see who comes and what comes out. Okay, let's clarify the Seven of Cups. Of course, you want to choose the best for yourself, but you want to keep your options open and energies open to the idea of letting the best enter in your life. We have Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords, and the Ace of Pentacles. Wow. Somebody's trying to play games with you and you know it. You just want to play the game with them by continuously, my God, by continuously telling them that you have other options too. This is nothing new. You're not providing me anything bigger or better than anyone else. So, what's the use of you coming in my life? I don't care. I just want to move forward, and I want to have other options open, and let's see. My God. So you are sensing that there is something off about a particular person or situation. You are able to sense their games, maybe not properly, but you are understanding that somebody is trying to manipulate your energy into thinking something that they want you to think, right? And you want to just keep your energies open, do your own thing, keep your options open, and move forward. And you want this person to somehow be honest with you. So basically, you want somebody to be honest with you. That somebody that you know is trying to play games with you, and they are trying to make you think in a certain way. If not, now you know who is honest and who is dishonest. And before you are going to say yes or not to and no to anything or anyone, you are going to test the waters with at least 4, 5, 6 people or something. This is your intention right now, to test the waters with multiple people, multiple energies, and then choose the right one. You don't want to fall for any kind of deceptive or um, too good to be true kind of energies, because at the end of the day they are not good. Why are you giving me this much tough energy to read today, Leo? What's wrong, honey? Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 14th of December, honey. Strength card, typical Leo energy. I'm going to hold back till I'm going to die, but I'm not going to do shit about shit. Okay, cool. You're like, okay, let me think about it for 100 years and then I'll see what I can do about it. Let's clarify the strength. This is you holding back. And it's taking a lot of strength and courage from your side to hold back, to tame the lion, but you're like, okay, let me do it. Let me clarify the strength. We have the Emperor, the Devil, the Two of Cups. So before falling into the devil's trap again, you are going to take a step back, understand their motivation, understand their motive, understand why they are doing what they are doing. You are going to, this is good. I'm really sorry for my words before this. This is good one. So you are like, you are going to use all of your courage and strength, your experiences, your wisdom and knowledge to sit in your power and watch the devil enter in your life and understand what you should do about the situation and what you should not, because you are able to see through somebody's intentions towards you in a very, very clear way. So it's basically you are able to see through something or someone very, very clearly. You are able to understand their games. You're able to understand that someone is trying to force a connection on you, and they are trying to make it look like very good, very beautiful, very happy go lucky, very positive, very green flag kind of energy. But somehow you know that this is not what it seems like. That's why you are going to be like, okay, let them play the game, and when I am going to be ready to like do whatever I can from my side, then I'll hit the nail from my side. Okay, that's good. So you are able to understand somebody's game, somebody's tactics, somebody's unhealthy and obsessive kind of energies, and you are realizing that they are not going to leave you leave your energy field that much easily. So you are taking a step back and you're like, okay, play the game. Let me watch the show and I'll enter when I'm going to feel like I should. That's good. Seems like a drama. Like in real life, there's no drama. Like things just happen, right? But it seems like an energetic drama going on. Okay, my love. Let's see the guidance for you guys. You guys are very intuitively high people. I know that very well, right, Leo? But this time you're like, your intuition is kind of very sharp, cutthroat. Let's see. मिदुआ है मेरी रब से. Yeah, it's something that is going to stress the hell out of you. It's something that's going to drain your energies. And you are going to be like, okay, let me wait and watch for the time when this situation, either this energy of somebody draining my energies is going to be over, or this situation is going to be over altogether, so that you can move forward. Right now, something or someone is keeping you stuck in their energy game, and no matter how hard you're trying to get over it and move forward, you're not able to do that. So you are going to be like, okay, let me take my time. I know I have to get over this situation or get over this drama, but let me take my time. It's not going to be easy, but I will eventually. This is energy drama, like filmy drama kind of a thing. Okay, anyways. So yeah, the guidance here for you guys, that this situation is going to take time to settle down. You know that this is going to be a disaster, or it's already a disaster. You're just waiting for the right time, and this thing is going to be completely over, right? So take your time. You're doing the right thing. Just a gentle reminder: be gentle with yourself and take it step by step, one day at a time, and you will be okay. Okay, this is just a phase of your life, honey. This is just a test, I think, that you guys have to pass, because this kind of trap you have fell, like you fell for these kind of traps before as well. Cool. Cool. Let's see, let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can like, this portion might or might not resonate with you. This is similar to the first portion. Okay, if it does, good. If it doesn't, don't bother about it. Don't worry too much about it. It's kind of nothing. uh for those where it doesn't resonate, cool. I'm going to give it 10 seconds, 10 to 15. If they are not enough, you can pause the video and pause whenever you feel like. Let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So the answer to a question is not the right time. Ta-da! Let me answer from the guidebook. Sometimes a path or choice might be the right one for you, but the timing is currently off. Instead of giving up on your dream, realize that maybe it needs to be put on hold, or you need to keep working at it a little longer until the stars are aligned. Tada! Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.